Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is another sunny day in Prague and I'm in the mood to do a flower project today, and it will be this nice flower bracelet made of Preciosa twin beads. If you want to support me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so you don't miss any new videos. And let's dive in! Optionally, we will need a beading mat. It's better to pick up beads from beading mat than, for example, from the table. Next we need some thread. I'm going to use Fireline size 0.1 mm in crystal color, cutter or some scissors, and size 12 beading needle. I will have flowers of two colors, so I will need twin beads of two colors. We will need 90 pieces a total. I don't know the names of the shades because I don't have labels on it. Next we need some seed beads. This brown and green is Czech Preciosa size 11 and this old pink is also Preciosa but size 10. And we also need some 4 mm glass pearls. And to make a fastening we will need 2 wire guardians, 2 jump rings, magnetic clasp and pliers. First we cut a piece of Fireline. Cut the length you are comfortable with because we will make separate flowers first and then we sew them together to form a bracelet. So anyway, we have to cut the thread after we make each flower. Thread the needle and pick up 10 twin beads. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring them down and make a knot to form a circle and another one to secure it. Leave a tail just long enough to weave it into our beadwork. Now we pick up one 4 mm glass pearl, bring it down, and go with our thread between the beads on the opposite side and around the thread between the beads. We need to catch the bead by this thread and go back through the glass pearl to secure it on the place. Now go with our needle through the inner hole and the outer hole. Pick up one size 11 seed bead and go through the very next outer bead hole. Pick up another one and go through the next outer hole. And continue this way until you fill all the gaps. Go through the last outer hole and through the first size 11 seed bead. Now pick up 3 old pink seed beads and go through the next size 11 seed bead. And continue the same way. Pick up 3 old pink seed beads and go through the next green size 11 seed bead. One flower is finished and we weave the tails in. So I go through several more beads, make a knot around the thread, tie it well, go through more beads and make another knot. Hide the knot and cut the tail. And do exactly the same with the other tail. The flower is finished and we do 8 more the same way. I just make a different color combination, but technically it will be the same. Now we have 9 flowers and we cut a new piece of thread. And attach the thread to one of the flowers. Make a knot. Go through some beads. And make another knot. Go through the one of the light old pink seed bead. Put on a wire guardian. And go through this light bead of the next loop. And circle it again to reinforce. Now go towards the opposite side of the flower and through this opposite peak. Take another flower and go through the random peak of another flower and sew it in a circle like this. We have connected two flowers together and we add another one the same way. So we go towards this peak. Add another flower of different color and circle it to reinforce. And continue the same way until we have 9 flowers connected together. I sew 9 flowers together and now I attach a wire guardian. And circle it to reinforce the connection. And now we weave the tails in. So go through a couple of beads. Make a knot. And hide it. Now we can cut the thread. And we do exactly the same with the other side. Now we add a magnetic clasp. I like to use it for bracelets because you can close the bracelet with only one hand, but it's necessary to use a quality fastening with a strong magnet so that the bracelet does not fall out of your hand. So I open a jump ring, add a magnetic clasp and a wire guardian, and close the jump ring. Now we do the same with the other side. So I take a jump ring, open it with my pliers, put a magnetic clasp, and a wire guardian, and close the jump ring. And the bracelet is finished. Thank you for watching. I hope that you liked my tutorial. I will be glad if you try this bracelet and send me a photo of your color combination. Happy beading and see you next time. Bye!